Hey, what's up guys? Yes, it's me and I'm back with an exciting video to share with you. Have you heard of cybersecurity? Do you want to start a booming career in cybersecurity? Well, then look no further. In this video, I'm going to talk about a certification which can make this happen for you. Yes, I'm talking about CompTIA Security Plus certification. Stick around because I'm going to give you a lot of information and break it down for you. So are you ready? Let's do it. CompTIA Security Plus is a globally recognized certification that validates your foundational cybersecurity skills. It's perfect for IT professionals aiming to build a strong career in cybersecurity. Plus, it's approved by the U.S. Department of Defense for certain roles, making it highly credible. So who is this for? Who are the target audience? This certification is designed for IT professionals transitioning into security-focused roles, such as security analyst or IT security specialist. If you have already earned an A+ or Network Plus, you're at an advantage, but even beginners can take it with the right preparation. Are there any prerequisites? Can anybody take it? Absolutely no prerequisites. So it is highly recommended that you have at least an A+ certification before you pursue this certificate. So what topics are covered in this exam? So there are a total of 5 domains covered in this exam: attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, governance, risk, and compliance. These are all very critical for maintaining a secure network in a real-world environment. Now let's talk about the exam. How many exams do you need to take? Folks, you only need one exam. Exam code SY0-701. The exam format will be 9 questions which are multiple choice and performance based. Time limit is 90 minutes. Passing score is 750 out of 900. This exam is valid for 3 years. Now let's talk about how long does it take to prepare for the exam and how much does it cost. On average, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes of focused preparation to pass Security Plus exam. The exam costs $404 in the United States. Please check the CompTIA website for the local pricing. So after putting all of your hard work and money in it, is there a job market for it? Absolutely. Job market for cybersecurity professionals is booming, and certifications like Security Plus help you stand out. You will qualify for roles like security analyst or IT security specialist. Plus, the demand for certified professionals continues to grow, making this a great time to invest in this career. Now let's talk about the most important part. Yes, I'm talking about dollars. After finishing the certification, what kind of salary can you expect in the USA? Fellas, entry-level professionals with Security Plus certification can expect to make $85K in the USA. But if you live in the Silicon Valley, California, you can make up to $100K as a starter. So what are the benefits of earning this certification? Why are you doing it for? Earning Security Plus certification is a smart move in your career. It gives you an edge in landing security roles, builds an in-demand skill sets, and show expertise to your potential employer. Now, how do you prepare for this exam? Is it expensive? You can take CompTIA Security Plus complete course by Jason Dion on Udemy. It will cost you $18.99, but I've got something even better for you, and it is completely free. Check out Professor Messer's Security Plus online training, and that program is completely free. Check out the link for both courses in my description. Let me share a quick story. I had a guy reporting to me in desktop. He worked it for 2 years. He took this exam, passed it, started applying for the jobs. He got a job at a multinational company. Now he works there as a security analyst, makes really good money, drives a nice car, and he dates all the hot women in the Bay Area. Do you want that lifestyle? I bet you do. Then what are you waiting for? Get out of your mama's basement and get to work. Guys, there is a growing need for cybersecurity professionals due to rising threats, ransomware, phishing attacks, you name it. CompTIA Security Plus is a fantastic stepping stone into the cybersecurity. It's globally recognized, covered essential security concepts, and it opens doors for exciting career opportunities. If you're thinking about pursuing a Security Plus certification, let me know in the comments. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. If you like the comment, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.